Hey there you guys, my name is Magdeal. I'm going to show you guys how to edit your own ringtones. Basically, I don't know, like you could pick your own favorite little song or something, and you would go to this app, and basically you can find it on the Play Store. I don't even know if it works for Android, I don't know if it works for Apple, but it's called Ringtone Master. And basically pick any song. Let's see here. I like this one. You go to edit.
Slapper, or rocky launcher, shake that lefty taffy, jolly raunchy rap, bang dang ski, she do that thing for 3 retweets, the album feel like 92, now take that bump for his 3P, chance whole acid, cruising on that.
And then when you're done editing it, you put it like from the beginning to end, then you press the button up here on the top, you put it what you want it to be as, either regular music, your alarm clock, your notification ringtone, or your actual ringtone. Then once you do that, you go ahead and press save. Start saving, and there you go. That's it. And after you're done, you can go to the music, wherever it is, music. Then it says right there, ringtone maker. Ringtone maker, that's the one that you edited, that you can make it into anything. You can your ringtone, you can make it into your notification, your alarm clock, you can make it into anything now. So there you go, that's my little tutorial, and I hope you guys some way. Thank you for watching my video. Please comment for anything you guys have questions on, if you need help at all. And yeah, thank you very much. Bye.